Welcome to the GoLogica Cybersecurity Master's Program Roadmap. In today's world, as cyber threats continue to evolve, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals has never been higher. This program is designed to transform you into a cybersecurity expert by covering essential concepts, practical skills, and certifications to elevate your career. Throughout this journey, you will gain insights into the latest tools and technologies used in the field, equipping you to tackle complex security challenges effectively. Let's dive into what you'll learn and the pathway to becoming a certified cybersecurity professional, unlocking exciting career opportunities in a rapidly growing industry. Introduction to Cybersecurity, Networking Fundamentals, Operating Systems and System Security, Cryptography and Encryption, Identity and Access Management, IAM, Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing, Security Information and Event Management, CM, Cloud Security, Cyber Threat Intelligence and Incident Response, Compliance and Risk Management, Certifications Preparation, Job Market, Hiring companies like Conclusion. Introduction to Cybersecurity. The Cybersecurity Master Program at GoLogica is designed to provide aspiring professionals with a robust foundation in cybersecurity principles and practices. As cyber threats become increasingly sophisticated, the demand for skilled experts continues to grow across industries. This program covers essential topics, including network security, cryptography, and incident response, equipping students with the knowledge needed to protect sensitive information and systems. Through a blend of theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience, learners will develop practical skills to address real-world security challenges. Additionally, the curriculum prepares participants for industry-recognized certifications, enhancing their employability in this competitive field. Networking Fundamentals. Next, we'll dive into networking fundamentals, which are crucial in cybersecurity. This part of the program introduces the basics of network architectures, protocols, and devices, including firewalls, routers, and switches. You'll learn how data travels across networks and how to identify vulnerabilities. Understanding network security is a vital skill for any cybersecurity expert. Operating systems and system security. Moving on, we'll explore operating system security for both Windows and Linux. In this module, you'll study system hardening, patch management, and endpoint protection. Knowing how to secure an OS environment and understanding system vulnerabilities will prepare you for safeguarding the backbone of enterprise security. Cryptography and encryption. Cryptography is next on our roadmap. You'll learn about encryption algorithms, cryptographic protocols, and how they're used to protect data in transit and at rest. We'll cover symmetric and asymmetric encryption, digital signatures, SSL/TLS protocols, and other essential cryptographic practices. Mastering cryptography is essential to keep data secure from unauthorized access. Identity and Access Management, IAM. Identity and Access Management, or IAM, is a cornerstone of cybersecurity. This module will teach you about managing user access, authentication methods, multi-factor authentication, and single sign-on. IAM ensures that only authorized individuals can access sensitive resources, which is crucial for maintaining security across organizations. Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing. In this module, you'll get hands-on experience in identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities. You'll learn to perform vulnerability assessments, conduct penetration testing, and interpret findings to enhance security measures. VAP skills are critical in helping organizations uncover security gaps before malicious actors do. Security Information and Event Management, CM. With CM, you'll learn how to monitor, detect, and respond to security threats in real time. This module covers log management, event correlation, and threat analysis. CM tools like Splunk and IBM QRadar are essential for centralized monitoring and are a staple in large enterprises for incident response. Cloud security. As businesses move to the cloud, securing cloud environments is paramount. This module will cover cloud computing fundamentals, shared responsibility models, and how to secure cloud infrastructure. You'll explore cloud service providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, and gain expertise in securing cloud-based applications and data. Cyber threat intelligence and incident response. Next, we dive into cyber threat intelligence and incident response. You'll learn how to identify and analyze emerging threats, leverage threat intelligence platforms, and respond to incidents effectively. Developing strong incident response skills will prepare you for roles in cybersecurity operations centers, SOCs, and enhance your ability to mitigate damage from cyber incidents. Compliance and risk management. In this module, we'll cover regulatory requirements, compliance standards, and risk management frameworks. You'll gain insights into laws like GDPR, HIPAA, and frameworks like NIST and ISO 27001. Understanding compliance is critical in ensuring that cybersecurity practices align with legal and regulatory requirements. Certifications preparation. The final part of our roadmap includes preparation for key cybersecurity certifications. We'll guide you in preparing for globally recognized certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, and Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP. Achieving these certifications will validate your expertise and increase your career prospects. Job market. Security analyst. Security analysts are responsible for monitoring and investigating security incidents within an organization. They perform regular audits, track suspicious activity, and assist in implementing defensive measures. Security analysts are often the first line of defense in identifying and mitigating threats. Average salary, $70,000 to $90,000 per year. Penetration tester, ethical hacker. Also known as ethical hackers, penetration testers simulate cyber attacks to uncover vulnerabilities in an organization's systems. They use various tools and methods to identify weaknesses and provide recommendations for strengthening security. Average salary, $90,000 to $130,000 per year. Security engineer. Security engineers are tasked with designing, building, and maintaining security systems and architectures. They implement firewalls, encryption, and other security measures, ensuring the infrastructure is robust against potential threats. Average salary, $100,000 to $140,000 per year. Security architect. Security architects are responsible for designing and managing an organization's overall security architecture. They develop strategies, assess risks, and ensure that security measures align with the organization's objectives. This role requires a blend of technical and strategic expertise. Average salary, $130,000 to $180,000 per year. Chief Information Security Officer, CSO. The CSO is a senior executive responsible for overseeing the entire cybersecurity strategy of an organization. They manage security policies, lead security teams, and ensure compliance with regulations. The CISO works closely with other executives to protect the organization's digital assets and reputation. Average salary, $150,000 to $250,000 plus per year. Google invests heavily in cybersecurity across all its services. Microsoft offers cybersecurity roles within Azure, Office 365, and other business units. Amazon, AWS, Amazon Web Services has extensive opportunities in cloud security. Apple focuses on privacy and security roles related to devices and data protection. Consulting firms, Deloitte, known for extensive cybersecurity consulting services. PwC provides cybersecurity risk and management consulting services. Accenture offers cybersecurity solutions as part of their IT consulting. Financial institutions, JPMorgan Chase, constantly hires cybersecurity experts to secure sensitive financial data. Goldman Sachs invests heavily in cybersecurity to protect its clients and systems. Bank of America focuses on data security and cyber defense. Government and Defense, NSA, National Security Agency, offers numerous cybersecurity roles for national security. Department of Homeland Security, DHS, focuses on securing the nation's digital infrastructure. FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation, hires cybersecurity experts for investigative and defense purposes. E-commerce and social media, Meta, Facebook, seeks professionals to protect user data across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. eBay requires security professionals to secure its e-commerce platform. PayPal focuses on securing transactions and protecting user financial data. Conclusion: the GoLogica Cybersecurity Master Program equips students with the essential skills and knowledge to thrive in the ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape. With a complete curriculum covering key topics such as threat analysis, incident response, and compliance, graduates are well prepared to tackle real-world challenges. The program also emphasizes hands-on experience, ensuring students gain practical skills that are highly sought after by employers. By earning industry-recognized certifications, participants enhance their career prospects in a high-demand field. Enroll today to take the first step toward a rewarding career in cybersecurity.